here, and I am back with another video for you guys. Okay, y'all, so before we get into this video, yes, I know that I am late on my videos, okay? I am working on it. All right, so let's not come for Belinda, okay? Let's not come for Linda Limbo. All right? Okay. But anyway, before we get into this video, you guys, please make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also make sure you hit that post notification button so that you can be notified every time that I post a new video. And welcome to LimbO Limbo. So let's get this video started and my explanation as well, guys. So for this video, I know this isn't my normal setup, and I'm actually not going to be in here because this video is actually a video that I've been wanting to post for you guys so that you guys can see how much fun I had with my nieces and with my sister when they came down to visit. If you remember my last video, where I was talking about them coming and everything, I'll make sure to try to leave the link up here or either in the description box down below for y'all, where I was talking about, you know, them coming to visit, and I was so excited. And it was just so much fun. So I was able to get some clips of some of the things that we did. And yeah, so I'm excited for you guys to see that. So that's what I have for you guys. I've been wanting to post this. I've been meaning to post this, but y'all, it has been a lot going on. I will be doing the updates and, you know, a Vlogmas update day and everything like that with updates and what's to come and all that. That will be coming soon, okay? But make sure that you check out my other ones as well, okay? Because, you know, I be telling a lot of stuff on there. But for now, I just want for you guys to enjoy this video that I am about to give to you guys. It's basically a video reel / photo reel. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will be back. All right, bye. Guys, come on.
You have a surprise.
Yeah.
Wow.
Can y'all find which one is yours?
I know that one is mine.
Okay.
But this one's mine. My thing.
Okay. Get your card. Now y'all gotta open up your card to see what it says. That's another surprise. Veronica, hold on. Let's wait on mommy first, okay?
Whoa, that's not
I want you to
it.
see what their cards say.
This is Sophia. I can see it. Oh. Oh. The right way. I can't read it.
Let's your sister open hers too.
It's a bracelet. You have one of yours too, Christina.
Oh.
Okay,
I
girls.
forgot.
You girls are smart. Let's see, can we read it? What's the first word, Christina?
I say I can
Tie.
tie the
Not. Sophia, what does yours say?
I can
Louder, 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 louder.
I can tell the why
Without.
without you will you be mine.
My what?
My
Flower girl.
flower girl.
So Tommy Bo is asking you, will you be my flower girls? Will you drop flowers down at her wedding for her? What do you think?
Yeah, I love to write it for you.
Yay! You love to what, baby? What's she saying?
I love to drop flowers for you.
What about you, Christina?
Open the link.
You want me to help you open the bracelet?
Are you ready to be flower girls?
Yes!
Woo!
And you have the pretty bracelets on. You have to pour it in this way. Okay, now move. And she's gonna pour it all in there.
why you had to put that was cool. Wow. It's so cool. It looks like a cake ripper.
It is so cool.
I have to do it again.
Right, we have to do our other one before the day is over. Okay. And then we still have to do the solar system. We have a lot to still do, you guys. All right, 1, 2, 3, pour.
It's for water.
We might have miscalculated the vinegar, you guys. Hold on, reset. Hopefully we have enough vinegar for you both. Oh, come on.
Yay.
Sorry. All right, together. 1, 2, 3, go. Move. Good
Do
job.
more baking soda.
Good job.
Let her try.
Your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui, breathe it in. I know it's a lot to hear the pod when you're staring at a demigod. What can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demigod. Hey, what has you thumbs and pulled at the sky? When you were waddling yay high this guy. When the nights got cold, who stole you fire from down below? Look at that, yo. Oh, so I lassoed the sun. Come back to stretch your days and bring you fun. Fill your sails and shake your trees. So what can I say except you're welcome? For the islands I pulled.
Here you go. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna take my mask off. I can't even see my face. This is pretty, Belinda.
Thanks.
Look at
It's
you.
a veranda.
All fancy smashy.
Now you
I
are a
can't
flower
tell
girl
you be
too.
my matron of honor.
Now you
I can't tie the knot without you. Will you be my matron of honor? I don't know, girl. I'm gonna think about it.
Flower girl too.
I know. I don't know. You might have to figure out a way to untie that because I want to do like a double tie for it to get a cute bow. Get away from me, please. Oh, well, I'm gonna figure it out. I ain't talking about that. I just, I've been traveling. Oh, she can edit this. Yeah. She gonna edit it. You gonna edit? What? Add it. I got it. Look at me. This is nice, Belinda. Thanks. So y'all can't take it out. Oh, I just did. If you do, if you're okay with it not being together. Yeah, you know I'm your sister. You know we're a little rough with stuff. Look at that. That's cute. Bride squad. I can't say I do without you. Oh, you trying to make a point to say that, huh? I guess. It smells good.
I want to smell it. It smells so pink.
smell something?
Mm-hmm.
It smells good.
Oh, this is pretty. You did too much. You really only had to text me or call.
Well, no, I still want to do the full effect. I want to have the full experience.
Today, my matron and honor forever. Today, my matron and honor forever, my sister. Thank you for standing by my side. You trying to make me cry?
No,
I
I'm not.
cannot handle this. I can't handle this.
And all the other bridesmaids, they have the same bracelet that I gave the girls. So everybody's gonna have a bracelet, but I just made yours more because you the matron and honor.
Where did you find something like this? This is so nice.
I think I got it off Amazon too.
Raya, you want to cry with me? Is that what it is? Praise him. Yes, okay. This is a cute setup too. I can't tie the knot without. Okay, Belinda. I got
Well,
it.
that came with the bracelet.
want more.
The tie the knot.
I know. I can't wear my business. Okay, my answer is yes. After I done told you no 15 times. Not no for real, just for play. But of course,
Looking at.
can I look at my own stuff first, please, ma'am? I can't marry my mister without my sister. You be my. Oh, that is so special.
Okay, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. I know I enjoyed my time with them when they were here. It was so much fun, and I cannot wait until they come again because I love spending time with my nieces and with my sister. It's always a really fun time. So, yeah, I cannot wait, you guys, for the next thing that we're able to do. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I will be sure to come back to you guys with another video as well. I'm about to be back on it, y'all. We're going to talk about some of everything, okay? So don't worry, the vlog is coming soon so we can talk, okay? But yeah, so I cannot wait, you guys. But that is all that I have for you guys, okay? I will see you guys in the next video. As always, y'all stay blessed. Bye.